Hello everyone, and today I want to take you with me on my hiking journey. So every Saturday over the past couple of months, I meet up with a hiking group that I found online, and we hike different parts of the Houston area. And the hiking group is called Houston Area Trails, and once a month they tackle a segment of the Lone Star Trail. So today I am driving all the way from Richmond, Texas to Huntsville, Texas to tackle segment 11 of the Lone Star Trail. And I hope you guys enjoy this journey with me. It is something that I have been doing for about 9 weeks now, and I find very relaxing. I'm beginning to understand what it is to get a hiker's high. It's that burnout, that feeling of just total depletion that you get after a hike, and I have really been enjoying it. And I also realized that there are not many people like me doing things like this. So hopefully this video will serve as an encouragement to those of you who have considered hiking and prompt you to go ahead and do it. So to begin this journey, I just basically went on Google and I said hiking groups, Houston hiking groups, and I found this hiking group, and I will link them somewhere. This is my very first video, so I probably will not do the best with it, but I will do my best for sure. I will try, but you know, it is what it is. So I am coming up in about 5 minutes. I will be getting to my group, and hopefully I will be about 15 minutes early, and this will give me time to actually put on my boots and do a little bit of prep, hopefully use the bathroom as well before we start. So thank you and enjoy my little drive. All right, so I am at the site. I am going to quickly down my electrolyte and pre-workout mix. Nasty shit. It is 7:49. Jesus, it tastes nasty and it's not very well diluted. Goddamn. So because I have hiked with this group and the other interconnected group, I kind of recognize a bunch of faces. They're pretty friendly, but I don't know everybody. But I do know a majority of them, and they're very pleasant, very nice people. Today I will be wearing my Asolo boots, and this is what they look like. They are like my big power boots. I do have other boots that are not as intense as these, but for the barren trails, I just feel like these boots are better. They're just way better. You get a lot of mud, slick, stuff like that. These boots are heavy and they exhaust me after a while, but I'd rather just wear them. Okay, so I'm not sure what you can see, but I am putting on my boots. Okay, so that's there. And okay, this is the fit for today. And I drive in these. And yes, it is a little bit scary just being a black woman. There is one other black lady. She's really pleasant as well. I see her sometimes on the group, most times actually on the group. So yes, I do see her most times on the group, but not all the time. I will say majority of the people who come on these hikes are Asian, white and Asian. I have to retie my left shoe because I don't know if any of you have this problem, but just one leg is the leg that probably gets uncomfortable, or just is the leg that you have to take care of a little bit more, so to speak. So my left foot, especially my left small toe, is the most tender, I guess, just because of how I'm built or whatever, how my body is made. And I just feel like it's the foot that needs the most attention. So I'm okay, and stop.